take you to appreciate our protagonist today. 0.8 meters to point meters to point for 5 meters. Apple carbon, delicate and small and easy to install. Let's take a look at its appearance. White walls with a light glass curtain wall, and then enter our Apple cabin. Inside, what catches your eyes? The kitchen. Although the kitchen is small, but the 5 organs, the location of the style and refrigerator is also very convenient to operate so that you can easily enjoy the fun of cooking, and bring uncontrolled cabinet design is reasonable, providing sufficient storage space. The use of high-quality materials, delicate handles, sufficient storage space. Should that cooking supplies can each return to its position. This side is a comfortable rest area, and the comfort of the rest area is very important. The layout of the whole rest area is harmonious and orderly, and the placement of furniture is not only convenient for daily use. Look at the toilet here. The use of dry and wet separation design, more convenient and clean area. Storage is rich. What are your drainage is smooth, dry, and wet. Separation to make the use of more comfortable. Does the interior space of the Apple Carbon satisfy your imagination of a delicate life? Dis RB as B.